and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we apprise you with the latest legal developments across the country. Let's take a look at the headlines. Supreme Court agrees to list review plea against judgment upholding validity of Jalikattu. Delhi High Court seeks response from ED on AAP MP Sanjay Singh's bail plea in money laundering case. Court convicts 3 in Ankit Saxena murder case, 6 years after the tragic incident. High-level committee on One Nation, One Election seeks public input. Now the headlines in detail. The Supreme Court has agreed to list pleas seeking a review of its 2023 judgment that upheld the validity of amendments to a Tamil Nadu law permitting the traditional bull taming sport Jalikattu in the state. The bench, headed by the Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud and also including Justice J.B. Pardiwala and Justice Manoj Mishra, took cognizance of senior advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi's arguments, emphasizing the need to list and consider the review pleas. The earlier judgment was delivered on May 18, 2023 by a 5-judge constitution bench under the leadership of now retired Justice K.M. Joseph. The verdict upheld the validity of state amendment acts made by Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Maharashtra for permitting Jalikattu, Kambala and bull cart racing respectively. The bench labelled these laws as valid legislations and held they were duly enacted by the state legislatures and had received presidential assent. The top court's decision to reconsider the 2023 judgment has brought renewed attention to the debate surrounding traditional sports involving animals. In a significant development, the Delhi High Court has sought response from the Enforcement Directorate on a bail plea filed by Aam Aadmi Party leader and Member of Parliament Sanjay Singh. Justice Swarn Kanta Sharma issued a notice to ED on Singh's plea in connection with the money laundering case linked with the Delhi excise policy scam. Singh was taken into custody on October 4th last year by ED, and the plea before the High Court challenges a trial court order dated December 22, 2023, denying bail to Singh. Senior advocate Mohit Mathur appeared for Singh and contended that the MP has been held in custody for 3 months without any specific role being attributed to him in the underlying offence. ED has, however, asserted that Sanjay Singh played a pivotal role in formulating and implementing the now defunct excise policy. The policy, according to ED, provided undue benefits to certain liquor manufacturers, wholesalers and retailers in exchange of monetary considerations. The matter is now scheduled for January 29th for further hearing. A Delhi court has handed down convictions to 3 individuals in connection with the Ankit Saxena murder case. The convicted persons include the parents and maternal uncle of a female friend of Ankit's. The murder was committed in broad daylight on February 1, 2018, with stabbing Ankit brutally. The reason for the murder was successfully proved by the prosecution, being the disapproval of the relationship between Saxena and the daughter of the convicts, who hailed from different communities. Additional Sessions Judge Sunil Kumar Sharma presided over the case and made the order convicting Akbar Ali and Shehnaz Begum, the parents of the girl, and Muhammad Salim, the maternal uncle. The 3 were found guilty under Section 302 and Section 34 of the Indian Penal Code, dealing with the punishment for murder and common intention respectively. Shehnaz Begum faced an additional conviction for voluntarily causing hurt. The sentencing has been scheduled for January 15th now. The high-level committee, spearheaded by the former President of India Ramnath Kovind, focused on One Nation, One Election initiative, has sought public suggestions to make appropriate changes in the existing legal and administrative framework for the simultaneous conduct of elections across different levels of governance in the country. The committee, established in September 2023, issued a public notice inviting citizens to make recommendations by January 15, 2024. The suggestions, once received, will be considered thoroughly for potential incorporation in the final recommendations of the committee. To facilitate public participation, individuals can submit their suggestions through the committee's official website, onoe.gov.in, or send recommendations via email to sc-hlc@gov.in, as stated in the official notification of the committee. Previously, the committee had also sought suggestions from the Law Commission of India. According to the terms of reference provided to the committee, its primary objective is to examine and recommend changes to facilitate simultaneous elections in the Lok Sabha, state legislative assemblies, municipalities and panchayats. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum. And subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.